and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be taking out my twist to show you guys this nice twist out from Mini Twist. I heard this gives you the best twist out, so we finna see. I have a little hair tie here because I'm gonna start in the back, of course. Alright, so now that my hair is all up, I can go ahead and start. For this video, I just wanted to basically chit chat with you guys because I just haven't sat down and talked in a minute, so I just want to chat. And I'm going to be showing you guys my renovations that my house went through, but it's kind of like a story time into the renovations. So I just want to tell y'all like why I had to get these renovations and stuff like that. It's not because I wanted this. Well, I did always want new flooring, but it really was because of this. So I had water damage from my refrigerator. Okay, so my house is only 4 years old. You guys know I just moved in my house and it was a brand new home when I purchased it. And the flooring that they put down, I did choose the flooring, and honestly I would never choose that type of flooring ever again. It's just not resistant to water. So once that water got into that wood, it looked very, very, very bad. So long story short, I had to get new flooring because my floors looked so bad. But since it was my refrigerator, I was like, I might as well get a new refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? So this is what my floors are looking like right now. They are brown. So my kitchen ain't that clean, so don't judge me. I actually just got a new refrigerator. If you probably already saw that clip, that's my old refrigerator. We're gonna get this out of here, but for right now, it's just right there. So they, I think they're outside actually, but I have brown flooring and I just think this is too old fashioned now. I'm gonna change my cabinets at some point, but right now the flooring is gonna get done because I had some water damage from the old refrigerator. This is the flooring, and I will show you guys the new flooring in just a second. This is what I'm using. Needed something waterproof. And this is the color that I'm using. It looks like that. So yeah. So I went ahead and got another refrigerator, and actually this time, y'all, I got a Samsung refrigerator. I wanted a nice one. I was like, if I'm gonna buy another refrigerator, I'm gonna get one that I could possibly take to my next home. You know what I'm saying? That I actually want to take to my next home. So I went ahead and got the Samsung refrigerator that has like music and stuff, friend. It is so freaking cute. I'll show y'all a clip of that too. You can listen to music on it. You can look through your refrigerator on it. It's just kind of bomb to me. Like, honestly, it's super bomb. It actually wasn't that different from the prices of the normal refrigerators, because the normal refrigerator, like the regular ones, were kind of going for $1,500 for a refrigerator, and so that one was just $2,000, which normally is $3,000. So yep, ended up getting that refrigerator. So for the water damage though, like I came back from, where did we go? When we came back from the Bahamas, y'all, that's when all shit broke loose. Like the water damage in the kitchen, but also my house was like raining. Like there was a leak because there was bad water, like raining and stuff, as it is right now. It's still raining. Basically, I was going through a lot of that type of stuff. That's why I had to basically get new floors. Oh, and my water bill was $800 because I have a leak somewhere and it was part of the refrigerator. So y'all, it was just a lot going on. And I'm just happy I got to do it. When I went through my like insurance company, like they covered everything, but my policy wasn't for as much money as I thought it was. So please read those policies. But anyway, it's all fixed. I just went and got somebody somewhere else, child, because they gave me my little money. And I was like, let me go find somebody else to do it. And I like my floors now. At first, he was playing me to the left. He was not about to finish my crown molding and stuff at the bottom and stuff. Honey, I had told him, I was like, nah. I had to really, I had to snap on him. Like, low-key, I had to snap because he was like, we don't do the baseboards. I was like, so you gonna do floors and no baseboard? Like, that's a part of the package. When your baseboard's crappy, like, the floor's gonna look crappy. So I was like, so you okay with me showing people this right here and putting your name on it? And he was like, you know what, you right. nigga, I know. Like, I know. Like, why do you put quality on your work and don't give anybody any packages that they can do without, like, no. Anyway, half-ass jobs, basically. It was a half-ass job, but it was half the price, so there's that. And the type of flooring that I use is LVP planking. Honestly, I wouldn't get any other flooring because I really like it. It's waterproof, it's easy to install. You can install it yourself if you wanted to. You really don't need nobody to do it. There's so many videos on YouTube. I just didn't want to do it, but it's really, really easy. And I heard it's really, really affordable. So, well, I didn't hear it. I actually lived it. It is very affordable. So there's that. And y'all, look at my twist. Oh, they're so cute and elongated. I'm gonna have to do this again, like, soon. I really like this. This might be vacation type hair, where you blow out your hair and you twist it up for half of your vacation. You rock your twist, and then for the rest of it, you take your twist out and rock your twist out. Like, this is super cute. Super duper 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 cute. I'm glad I'm taking it out now and not when it's like super dry, because I think I can get a lot of wear out of this twist out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the renovations and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done taking my twist out. Alright, y'all, so that's basically my renovations. Honestly, shit happens. When you get a house, that's the only thing you cannot control. A lot of this stuff, I got $800 water bill just because my toilets be leaking. Girl, home owning is no joke. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. So there's that. And look at my twist out, y'all. This looks so good. My twist has not looked this good ever. I've never had a twist out look this good. It's so elongated and stretched. Blowout twist outs, mini twist outs might just be my new thing for when I need to like really spruce it up or really like show off my length. I think this is nice. Like, I think it's really nice. Some of these are like extra straight because over here I had redid a few of the twists. So if you do that, it is gonna cause it to be a lot more frizzier than like the rest of these, as you can see. But I didn't separate. All I did was split them in half and then just fluff a little bit with my hand. I haven't done any type of separation or anything like that, but I think it's super duper cute. I really, really like this hairstyle. It looks really, really good. My hair feels so soft. And this is the third hairstyle, y'all. This is the third hairstyle I've done on this blowout. Well, I've done a blowout already, and then I did the twist with the rods that was kind of like a fail. Then I brushed that out, and then I put the twist in, second hairstyle, and now I have this, which is a twist out, which I'm loving because I haven't had to wash my hair in a minute now. So 2 thumbs up for this whole hairstyle experiment thing because my hair is looking bomb.com. I haven't styled it like I said, but it looks so good. All right, so are you guys ready for the final reveal? This is what it looks like. Okay, so like I said, the pink walls are, hey Sky. The pink walls I'm going to change, but we're just talking about the flooring. Looks so good now, y'all. Like, I really like this flooring. Sky really likes this flooring. And I made him do my crown molding over, so it looks good now. It's all painted, it's all seamless. So yeah, it looks so good. So this basically cost me $3,400 to get all of this done, which ain't bad considering they have to move all this stuff and put it all back and all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all, I really like it. It's very sturdy, and now I don't have a horrible space right here, and my new refrigerator is just complementing the floors very well, and Sky likes it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So yeah, I'm about to get something to drink. I was actually listening to some music at first, but I'm about to get some orange juice and call it a night. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.